What's up everybody, it's me, Michael Myers H2O, coming at you with another video. And today I got another unboxing for y'all. It's by Real Haunted Items. As you can see, the sticker right here, same sticker on the other one. It's the same paranormal group. So yeah, we're gonna see what's inside of this. This is a smaller package I bought. I might have just ruined. There we go. Fuck. Alright. Alright, so that was the unboxing. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna do this. If you guys enjoy these unboxings, hit that like and fucker. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Forgot how windy it is out here. Alright, so I'm gonna have to hold these because it is windy. Alright, so these, I don't know what this is. Alright, so this time let's see where what this is and everything. Alright, these old photos and pages are out of Possessed Collection, the pain recovery team found in Lake Crystal, Minnesota. It is not confirmed that is the location where the photos were taken. They were all found in the attic, which happened to be the most active area of the property during their 2-night investigation. The shelf in which they were located was point of interest during the investigation and was watched under heavy surveillance. Wow. So this is like supposed to be Possessed Collection, demonic. But anyways, whatever these are, if you guys can make them what they're out to be. Oh, they're little photos. Like see-through photos. You guys, yeah, see the little character. Oh, not character, person in the photo. And there's another one. It's a graduation. That's what it looks like. So the sun was out, it'd be a lot better, but that's the best I can get it. So these are little, they're called Kodachrome transparency. And hold on. Alright. So we're gonna do the photos last. So this Mama's birthday. So these are so cool. Like, guys, I know there's gotta be activity with all this shit I've got. Oh, what shall I do? I guess it's like a little poem or like a little poem or something. Alright. Let's see. Now, here's a photo. I don't know, but I'm getting really heavy, like, energy already from this. I feel like this is, like, something you shouldn't even be touching or messing around. It's a photo of a family. That person's face, look how it looks like something's wrong with it. Alright, next photo we have is, whoa. Okay, this is creepy. This family here looks like the son or brother or nephew. His eye is literally splattered, like it's cut off. Like, wow. Guys, this is creepy. I'm not gonna sit here and lie with y'all. This is, I don't, like, I'm starting to feel like chills, like, right around my whole arms right now. Here's another picture. Yeah, it's not as creepy as, I mean, it's creepy, don't get me wrong, but, like, this stuff is, like, I can't believe this is real, like, stuff, like, and the card itself is cool. So this is at Lake Crystal, Minnesota. So that's where all that's at. If you want to pause, you can read it yourself. Um, these photos were taken and they were all found in an attic. So that's pretty disturbing in a way. These could be like anything. But hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. It was just a little unboxing, nothing too much, nothing too crazy. They have bigger, like I said, that was like $10 for the small packets like that. Medium ones is with the first one I got, and the larges, and then the extra large they got. So I'll be having a lot of these. Um, I do not suggest you doing this stuff. Because the last opening I got was kind of goosebumps I was getting. I felt like, and last night, like just being in, like like when I'm in bed, I feel like I'm being watched. Um, and that's not already a good sign. That means something's already, like, energy already, um, I don't know. But yeah, guys, I do this for y'all. I really hope you guys appreciate all this. I do it because I love this. Um, and I don't know if any other YouTuber does this kind of stuff like I'm doing now. Um, Hopefully it's different. Fingers crossed, you know. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. You know, um, these came out of a possessed collection. I don't know if any of these are actually possessed, but you know, just in case, you know, it's always good that you know. I'm after this video. I'm gonna say none of the attachments are allowed to attach to me and stuff, but depends how powerful it is. Not always works, but anyways, this was I don't know which one's is better. I don't know if I would be able to find. It was a random house, I think, but I'm just gonna put a house, haunted, like a creepy house, in Lake Minnesota. No, not Lake Minnesota. What the fuck am I even talking about? I don't even know. Is that even a Lake Crystal, Minnesota? It is. Oh, it's not confirmed. So that's not confirmed. So I got something a good title for it. I'm trying to get better with titles too and thumbnails. Um, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. Love y'all so much. God bless. Peace out.